friends. So today we create a two-player maze game so that we can play against each other. In the two-player maze game, player will have to move their respective balls out of the maze to reach the goal before the time is up. Okay? Or the other player wins the race. Okay? So that sounds exciting. Let us call this game Conquer Maze Game. So first I will show you how it works, then I will tell you the coding. Okay? So let's start. So this ball soccer moves with arrow keys and this beach ball moves with alphabets. So I'm using arrow keys. So I'm only going to win. Hooray! The ball soccer wins the race. So now I will tell you rules. For our maze game, we only have the game over rules and no scoring rules. Player have 25 seconds to reach the goal. The time will end when time is up, when one ball reaches the goal. Okay, so now we take the sprites. Player control sprite 1 is a ball soccer. This one. Yes, this one. Here. Now our player control sprite 2 is beach ball. Okay, so I have shrink it from the shrink option. Now the uncontrolled sprite in our game is the goal. We will create a goal sprite in the scratch paint editor or you can take from the net. I have taken from the net, so let's start with the coding of ball soccer. And remember, both the balls will move back a few steps when they come in contact with the maze balls. Okay, and this goal will display the remaining times for the player. The goal will display a message when the time is up and the game will be end. The goal will display a winning message depending on the ball that reaches the goal and the game will end. Okay, so first we take up arrow, then point in direction to 0. Okay, now what do you mean by point in direction? You all know what is point in direction? It means that set a direction of current sprite. Okay, so we should duplicate it and only change this point in direction because it is up arrow. So here is the option of drop down. When it is left arrow, it will be minus 90. Okay. Now let's start with the coding of a beach ball. Now it's also same, just duplicate these all 4 and put it here, but only last one is different. You go to when click, events and take when click. Now go to looks, go to motions and go to x0 y0 forever loop, and now we'll take if touching block. Now we go to something with touching color, not this, touching color. Okay, now we just duplicate it. All the process is same, but only you have to change this alphabet. Now this set timer, we will take data and make a variable so it will come. Okay, now we go to control, take forever loop, then to say go to data, take timer. Now wait for 1 second. Okay, now we go to control and take if block inside the forever loop. Now from this operators we take this block and take the timer and set to 0. Now just duplicate all. I just duplicate all this. So our coding is done. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.